Hey guys, welcome back to my 18th Python tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys how to nest statements in Python. So we're going to nest if statements mainly today, and to do that, first off, we need some variables to make some if statements go on. So let's make it so var equals, I don't know, ice cream, can't spell, and let's have flavor equal vanilla. And now we're ready to make some if statements. Uh, so if var equals ice cream, I can't spell. So for what is it called? If statements, you will need two equal signs to check if one thing equals another. It's not just one like here because this is assigning to a variable, and this is checking if two things equal to each other. So make sure you do that and put colon, and then let's make an else statement here. Else, let's make it print what's var. Let's do that. And here we're gonna have a chunk of code in here, and you could have like a print statement normally, but this time we're gonna nest statements. So what we're gonna do is make another whole new if statement. So we're gonna have two kinds of tests. So the first one is gonna be the first if statement here, checking if var equals ice cream, and the second one is gonna be this if statement, which is gonna be checking if flavor, I can't spell, uh if flavor equals vanilla, and colon. And then here we can also make another else statement. Let's make it say print what's the flavor. Yeah. And for here, let's make it say, I don't know, delicious, I guess. Oops. And that's about it for the code. So let's save it and let's run it. F5 and we should be running. And it says delicious. So how this code worked is that we have var equal to ice cream and we have flavor equal to vanilla. So it's gonna go through these tests. So initially it would go through this to check if var equals ice cream, which it is, so it passes, and then it will go to here, and now it will check if flavor equals vanilla, which it is, so it will print delicious. And rest of them just get ignored because we arrive to conclusion. Uh, and like, so what if like var was something else? Uh, it would go here, and then it would check if var is ice cream, but in this scenario, we'll say it isn't. So if it isn't, it will skip this chunk of code entirely, and we'll go to this else statement at the bottom and print out what's var. Uh, and second scenario would be like if var equaled ice cream but flavor didn't equal vanilla. Uh, then it would go through here first initially, and then it would check var equals ice cream, and in this scenario it is. So and then it will go to this if statement, and now it will check if flavor equals vanilla. But in this case, we will just say like the flavor is equal to like I don't know, candy corn. So if it's candy corn, it will be not equal to each other. So it would skip this thing and then go to here, else, and print out here. And then this else will get ignored because we were passed by this if statement. So let's test the former, and let's just say var is not equal to ice cream, but like, I don't know, tire, I guess. And let's save it. Control S, that's the shortcut to save, and then let's F5. And it will say what's var because it went through here, and then var is not equal to ice cream anymore, so it skips this entire uh, block of code, and then we'll go else and say what's var. Uh, Another thing we could do here is just change out, let's say ice cream, and let's say candy corn because I said so. And then if I save it and then run, it will say what's the flavor, because it went to this thing, it checked if these two things are equal, which they are, and it went to if flavor equals vanilla, and the flavor is candy corn, so this is not equal to each other, so it will skip this one and go to else statement, which printed out what's the flavor. So that's about it for my tutorial on how you can nest if statements in Python. I haven't been able to post new videos for a while, and I apologize for that. Uh, I've been pretty busy, so yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed and learned something, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.